don't know where to start. You just start tearing stuff apart and trying to clean it up.
As tornado recovery continues in Jacksonville, smaller communities across East Alabama are also dealing with the horrible aftermath. Many of them are in Calhoun County. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sherry Jackson.
And I'm Jim Dunaway. Some people lost everything, but they're sharing their stories of perseverance with us tonight. CBS 42 News reporter James McConaughey is live in the Hollingsworth community where he spoke with some of those brave survivors. James.
That's right, Jim. It really is a miracle that no one died in this storm. The man that I spoke with, he was in this home in a closet with his family when the storm came through.
You see it, but you just don't ever think about going through it.
Chad Reed said he was on his back porch when he heard the roar of the tornado.
Oh yeah, you can see plain as day.
He ran inside, got his wife and daughter, and got them into the smallest bedroom in the house.
We was in the closet. We had thrown everything out of the closet in this room here. It took about 30 seconds probably, and you start hearing glass breaking and everything just kind of whipping through the house.
He said it was over quickly, and when he came out, he got a phone call from his neighbor's son. His neighbor, Stan Barnwell, was trapped in his car.
His house was gone. And then he finally tells me he's trapped in his car, and I couldn't get here to him.
Reed rushed over to help, and somehow Barnwell was uninjured, but there was nothing left of his house.
The main entrance was right here. It's hard to picture. Living room here, kitchen was there. This was laundry room. Master bedroom over there, bedroom there and there. Everything he's got's gone.
Jeff Barnwell said despite the loss, he's been proud of the way his community is responding.
It's amazing what people, just come out. I don't even know these guys.
God was looking after us during the storm, that's for sure.
Several other homes in this community were also destroyed by the storm. It's going to take a while for the folks here to get back on their feet. Live in Hollingsworth, James McConaughey, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.